investing, yung mga kita mo, ano yung percentage na siniset aside mo, tapos yung ginagastos mo lang?
I'm not a big spender. I usually spend on investments, policy, real estate, and since I don't have time for anything else, mga hands-on job like restaurant, bar, yung mga ganun, hindi ko ginagawa because wala naman din ako oras. I'd rather be hands-on sa isang bagay na alam kung pwede kong, I let it sit there, I let it sleep for a couple of years and then benta mo, di ba? I just flip it. So, yun. Bata pa lang ako, mahilig na ako mag-invest. Hindi ako magastos na tao, kumbaga. Kasi nga, yung gastos becomes a liability. You know, bumili ka ng kotse, bumili ka ng bahay, bumili ng kahit na ano. Kung wala namang value after 5-10 years, sayang lang. So I'd rather just keep my money and just let it grow in the bank or get policy and get investments that, you know, even if it sleeps for a couple of years, even if it's passive, nandun siya, it's safe.
Being the Sun Life ambassador, do you encourage your fellow celebrities na...
Yes, marami na kami nakuha ng ano. Kami talaga eh. Ng ate ko. Yeah, we have a couple of friends from showbiz. My sister would come kung nasang set ako, kung anong movie set or soap set. And you don't want a hard sell. So I speak for myself, my testimony, and I tell them how much I get. This is my policy, and this is like after a couple of years. And this was back in my 20s pa. Hanggang ngayon, ganun pa rin ako. Parang for me, you have to choose what is right. You wanna live free. You wanna be able to know what your future has for you. So you think about it now. So yun yung sinasabi ko, parang look at me. This is what I have. These are how many policies I have. Usually ang alam ng tao, isang policy, okay yun eh. But hindi, dapat so I tell them, dude, if you have extra money, ito, mag-invest ka pa, kuha ka ng ganito because it will really save you money and in the long run, mas you feel more confident, alam mo na mangyari sa career mo, you're safe.
Bilang mo ba kung ilan yung policies?
More than 10. Sinabi ko talaga. Sa Sun Life pa lang. Huwag niyo akong gulay.
Thank you, Bernie. Next question po. From Larcy Mateo. Lambing.
Tanong ko lang, how do you give back? Kasi yung mga nakakausap din namin mga ibang artista, like, yung iba meron silang foundation. Si Coco Martin, he wants to help give back by, he teaches people how to fish, hindi yung basta lang sa nagbibigay ng mga ganyan-ganyan. Ikaw, paano ka?
Pero mahirap sagutin niya kasi pag nagsalita ka, it's like you're bragging about it. As much as possible. Marami akong scholars. Yung Bible Foundation, it all started when my high school approached me to sponsor a couple of students. I grew up in Mandaluyong, then sa Santa Ana ako nag-aaral. Nakikita ko marami scholars, anak ng maintenance, anak ng kung sino-sino. Sabi ko, ba't sila I was really curious. And then nag-aartista na ako, and then my principal approached me. Sabi niya, tinawagan nila ako, pwede ka ba mag-sponsor na ibang students, like maybe 3 to 5, you know, send them through school. So, doon ako nagsimula until lumaki yung scholars namin, yung foundation. And through Sun Life, you know, every year, every event that we have, dumadami yung scholars po namin. And this is not something na ayoko lang makipagyabang kasi even the fans, I would encourage them instead of giving me gifts, diretso na dun sa foundation. So, yun.
Ganda. Bongga.
For those po na naka-attend ng aming Sun Theology run last year, we actually had some of the scholars there. They even serenaded actually si Piolo and Pinigo. And it's really heartwarming kasi some of them talagang nakagraduate na ng college. I mean, they are seeing through school from their elementary days all the way up to college. And meron iba sa kanila na nagtatrabaho na. So it's really great that I think Hebreo Foundation is able to see them through that and really set them up for a brighter future. Next question.
This year we have another
Of course, may I just acknowledge Mrs. Scooby of Star Magic. Thank you so much for bringing everybody here. Sexy, di ba? Pumayat.
Para sa ball. Hindi pala yun. Ako may press ko din. Anyway, next question from Alicia. Nakakaloka ka.
Polling question yata.
Okay! Tita Julie B. And Igo. Diyos ko, para lang kayo magkuya.
Hindi ko gusto na meron na ako anak dito, dati ako lang.
Nakakaloka. Ay, ano ba mamaya ka na? Parang